falls here. Not a soul is here except it's a nice park. Wow. Can you hear the falls? Oh man. There's not much falls because we've been having a lot of rain. Get us a place to park out of the way. Let's go get the tripod. Here's an old place. My dad used to come down to Steinhatchee and fish for trout back in the 50s and 60s. A long time ago. There's nobody here but you and me and whatever else is out in the woods or in that water behind us. We're at a park in Brantford, Florida. It's on the Swanee River. The flooding has gone down. We had a lot of rain in South Georgia and it all comes to Florida. So they got that barricaded. Look how much is on. It really came up. And there's this great Swanee River. Well, it's a nice little park. These are always nice to have when you're out in the middle of nowhere. Kayak launch, but I'm sure some small John boats have used this. Got a few stones missing, I guess from past floods. You got a little stairway, come down into the river. Maybe somebody can tell me what class they are. Steinhatchee Falls. You tell me if that's a class 3. Not a soul is here. We got it all to ourselves. Me and my little casita. Well, let's head a little further south. We're going to be staying on a friend's property. It's right on the Swanee River. We'll be showing you that. I think it's gonna be too wet for a fire. Or, I don't know. They got some dry wood. I'll go ahead and pick up me a little bundle somewhere. If I can see Bob out there. And so, you have seen Swanee Falls.